In this video, we're going to talk about what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. So as you know, this is a free course where I'm training people how to start an affiliate business online and build a real home-based income business by promoting other people's products. Affiliate marketing means you promote someone else's products and services, and the person that you drive traffic to that product and service, when he purchases the product and service, you make a commission. So basically the merchant, which is the vendor, he creates a product and lists it onto the marketplace, and he has affiliate materials for you to use to promote his product. And as an affiliate, which you sign up as an advertiser, you start driving traffic and visitors to his product and to his services, and every time the customer that comes to that product through your traffic techniques, he purchases the product and you will make a commission. Now you can do this online, you can do this offline, you could do it with physical products, you could also do it with digital products. And in my upcoming videos, I am going to teach you how to do it with digital products using some of the top affiliate networks that pays on time and pays very high percentage of commissions. Now you need to understand that when it comes to affiliate marketing, with affiliate marketing, there are different type of way to earn commissions using and promoting someone else's product. The first one, which is normally used from every type of business owner, is that there's a product and service and you're just driving traffic to it, and every time the customer purchases the product, you make a commission. The second way of making money as an affiliate is by sending traffic and generating leads. So some companies don't require the customer to purchase the product, but actually just submit an information or a page or a zip code and you will get paid. This is normally known as CPA marketing, but it is also generally known as affiliate marketing, because some of these product owners don't require the purchase, they just require leads. So if you drive traffic and the opposite person, which is the customer, came and submitted his information, you're going to get paid. The third way of affiliate marketing is pay-per-call, which means your job is to drive traffic to the customer's product, and he doesn't have to purchase, he just has to book a call. And as soon as he books a call and he gets called, you earn a commission. So these are different ways to earn commission by promoting someone else's products. Now, what's the benefit of being an affiliate? The benefit of being an affiliate is that you don't have to have your own product, you don't have to create a website, you don't have to be a vendor, you don't have to launch a product, you don't have to call anyone, you don't have to chase anyone. It's simple and easy. You just have to sign up to an affiliate network. You have to enter your information, including your postal address, home address. You need to get your affiliate link, and you need to start driving traffic, which is visitors, to that affiliate link, and that should be targeted traffic, which we're going to talk about in my upcoming videos. Now, traffic could be free traffic using social media, or it could be paid traffic, and I will talk about this more in details in my upcoming videos. So this was all about what is affiliate marketing and how affiliate marketing works. Now, in my next video, we're going to start jumping into networks of affiliate marketing, where you can join these networks, how to choose a product, which is the best product to choose, how to look for a competition, and how much money you're going to get paid and how you're going to get paid. So see you in the next video.